In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a code coupon on Temu, perfect for anyone eyeing that tempting online purchase at a discount. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Temu website through your preferred web browser. Just type in the URL or use a search engine to find their official page. Once you're there, it's shopping time. Browse the wide range of products they offer and add the items you fancy into your cart. Remember, it's always helpful to check the product reviews and ratings to ensure you're picking the best quality items for your money. Once you've selected all the items you wish to purchase, it's time to go to your cart. This is the virtual shopping basket where all your selected goodies are waiting. You can usually see an icon resembling a cart at the top right corner of the Temu website. Click on it and you'll be directed to the cart page where you can review all the items you've added. Make sure everything you've chosen is listed there and check for any errors in size or quantity. Now, you're ready to check out. Look for the checkout button, which is typically at the bottom of your cart summary. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you'll need to prepare for payment. Here, you'll find an order summary that shows the total amount for your selected items. This is where the magic happens with your coupon. In the order summary section, often located on the right side or sometimes at the bottom of the page, you should see a field labeled Apply Coupon Code. This is where you will input your special discount code. Make sure to enter the code carefully as it's case sensitive. Double check the spelling and each character to avoid any potential errors that might prevent the coupon from being validated. Once you've entered the code, click the apply button. If the code is valid, you should see an adjustment to your total amount, reflecting the discount offered by the coupon. This can typically be seen immediately, giving you that satisfying feeling of saving on your purchase. If there happens to be an issue and the coupon doesn't apply, make sure to check the terms and conditions that might apply to your code. Some are specific to certain products or have expiration dates. After your discount is successfully applied, you can proceed to complete your checkout, adding your payment details and confirm the purchase. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to use a code coupon on Temu and enjoy some fantastic savings. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!